Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have something super fun, LOL surprise eggs. And I bought these at the dollar store near our house and they were $1.50 an egg. And sounds like there's lots of stuff inside of each one. Some of them were really light, so I tried to get the ones that are all heavy. Let's go ahead and we are going to get these open and see what's inside. So we will start with, let me just move them out of the way. Oh, they're rolling. Let's start with this pink one. Now, unlike an LOL ball, there's nowhere to pull. So I'm just going to use scissors to cut this extra plastic off. And let's give it a little cut. There we go. Oh, can I get the plastic off? Okay, there we go. Move that out of the way. Ready for the first egg? Oh, that is cute. There's our little empty egg. So we have an LOL eraser, a marker. I'm assuming that's a marker. Oh, look at that. And it works. Those are cute. You can use these for your American Girl for their school stuff. And stickers. Look at the different 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at them all. Aren't they cute? I think I quite like this little graduation one. That is cute. Let's open up the second one and let's see. So we'll go with a blue one this time. And we will find a spot to cut. They have this little plastic part on really tight and snug. Let's get that open. And oh, I think they're all going to be the same. Those are the same stickers. Okay, same marker. And it's the exact same eraser. All right, so we have duplicates of those. Let's go ahead and do another pink one. I'm thinking maybe I should have bought one of the lighter ones to see what was in those. Oh, and the stickers are showing it's the same stickers that's on here and the eraser. Are they all the same? Oh, I hope they're not all the same. But these would be super fun for an Easter basket. Let's see. Let's get this one open. And it's the exact same stickers, marker, and eraser. Oh, I really hope they're not all the same. To the blue. Kind of surprises it if they tell you exactly what's inside of it. All right, let's open up this one. However, as a kid, I would love to get these in an Easter basket, especially if you love LOLs. Don't like that they printed the price directly on, but let's see. And it's exactly the same. More of the same stickers, more of the same marker, and another eraser. Okay, let's open up the last one, and we're going to hope for something different. Here it is. Last one, maybe some different stickers or a different eraser. Oh, there goes that egg. Okay, here we go. Cut, 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 cut. Oh, I should have done that the first time. Look how easy that came off. And it's exactly the same. Same stickers, same markers, same erasers. But these erasers are good for school. You can use those. You can decorate your books with the stickers, especially if you get multiples, because that's quite a bit of stickers. And these markers, although they're a little big, you could put those in your American Girl school stuff. They are bigger than what would come in a set, but that's pretty good. You can find alternative play with those. And then you have all these cute little eggs that you can use for decorations. You could put your stickers on. You could do all kinds of things with these. I don't know, make a little table with a hat. I don't know. We can come up with a cool craft for these. That's it, guys, for today. Let me know what you think of the LOL surprise eggs. Would you buy these? Again, they were only $1.50. I would definitely put these into an Easter basket. That's it for today, guys.